Hi, my name is Martin, and here's my 2002 Lexus is300. The sides and the rear is HKS fender charge feed. Front bumper is Vertex S Endurance. The splitters, I made them. The whole front is authentic. The lights Altezza, the grills Altezza. I changed the lens to black and they put shapes on it. Work wheels Emotion C7R. It's like 18.9.5 plus 22 all around. Achilles 225 35 18 326 power from Japan. Steering wheels are Vertex, and then I got the whole Vertex turn signal adapter, parts by Max shifters. I got bright seats and the Takata harness. If you want to see more cars like mine, go to wheelwell.com.